How to share Instagram Reel to Facebook. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to tap on this plus button right here and then scroll to Reels. Now, I just have to click on camera, or you can also get something from your camera roll. Let's say I want to take a video right here. Now, I just have to hit on next. I can edit this reel into however I want it to be. I can add music to it, add text to it. I can add a sticker. I can also add additional video from my camera roll. So once I'm done with this reel, all I have to do is to hit on next. And then I just have to scroll down. And as you can see, there is an option that says share to Facebook. If I click on that, I just need to toggle this on. This way, this reel can appear to my feed or watch, and my Facebook friends will be able to see this reel on my Facebook account. So if I toggle this on, this will give me an option to turn on the sharing only for this reel, or to turn this on for every reel that I have or every reel that I will be posting. So I just have to turn this on for this reel. And now if I share this to my Instagram account, it will automatically be shared to my Facebook as well. So that's how to share Instagram Reel to Facebook.